In this chapter, you will learn the inputs and output handlings. Input and output functions. C language provide interaction between a programs and users through input and output functions. Clear? So what is the input in C language? Input means to enter or feed data in a computer programs. So the output functions means what the computer produced after processing the data. Clear? Now we will learn in detail how the output functions will work in C language. What the computer produces after processing the data to display information on screens or print on printers. So in C language, for output, we use following functions. There are three functions through which you can use as a in output for to display a result on the screens. Okay, the three type of the statements you can use for a output in C language. The first one, printf, bracket, put character, and puts. Through these three, you can take output by using the C language. In detail, you learn it. The first one is displaying a single characters. Clear? When you want to display a single characters, you will use a put character functions. Clear? This function is used to output a single character on a screen. Syntax. What will be the syntax of it? Put character. Put character, all words must be in small letters, because these words are the reserved words. Bracket, small bracket will be started, and comma, and inside the comma, between the comma, you will write a letter, single characters. Okay, and the statement must be terminate with semicolons, otherwise errors will be occur. Got it? The syntax, these syntax you must be learned. Example is put character inside the commas, write letter A and terminate with semicolons. Clear? Second one is displaying string. The question is, what is the string? String is a sequence of characters like name, address, words, या any sentence. Okay? When you want to display the name of the person, address of any things, yeah, you want to display any words, you have to write any sentence, you will use the string. And what will be the string functions you will be used? For this, you will use the puts. Clear? You will use the puts. When you want to display a string, you will use the puts functions. This function is used to output a string on a screen. What will be the syntax of it? Puts and double commas. Inside between these inverted commas, you will write the string and terminate it with semicolons. Example, puts, suppose I have written it's computer class. Clear? This is a string.
Ma'am, मैम हमारी बुक में ये पुट वाला नहीं है।
ये पुट्स वाला नहीं है?
नहीं मैम, सिर्फ स्कैन एफ वाला है
प्रिंट और स्कैन वाला है।
जी, बस ये 2 टॉपिक्स हैं।
और मैम मेरी 2019
Put string, it's a computer class. ठीक है. The next thing is that display strings ही है. Uses of it. This function is used for special purposes. It can only output one string at a time. Means one string will be displayed at a time. It is used when programmers want to output a single strings. ठीक है. It's required to use header files string.h at the beginning of the program. What will the syntax? Put strings. Example, puts, it's a computer class. Clear? Third thing is that when you want to display the text, variables, expressions, constants. For this, you will use the printf functions. Got it? This function is used to output our text values on screen in the specified formats. What will be the format of it? Syntax printf control underscore string comma list of arguments. Clear? This is the formula या syntax of the printf statement. Printf small bracket control underscore string. The question is, what is the control string? The control string consists of a text, the format specifiers, and the escape sequence. ठीक है? These three things will make the control strings. How? What is the text? Text means text specify the message that is to be printed along with the values. Clear? Second one is format specifiers. Format specifiers specifies the format according to which a value is to be printed, like ND for values and F for floating points. Clear? Percentage D and percentage F. Format specifiers. What is the format specifiers? Percentage D and percentage F. For F used for floating points and the percentage D used for the values. Okay. The next one is escape sequence. Escape sequence control the printing on the output devices like /n. Okay. /n means the escape sequence, and when you will use percentage D a percentage F, it means that this is the format specifiers and the text that you want to print. These three things make the control strings. Clear? The next thing is that list of arguments. What is the list of arguments? List of argument consists of list of the variables या arithmetic expressions. List of variables means in the second chapter you have learned it. Any variables means any numbers that is not included in the reserved words. Okay. Arithmetic expressions means plus, minus, multiply, divisions. Okay. And these are separated by commas. Okay. Whose values are to be printed. Clear? जिनकी values हम print कर रहे होंगे उनको हमने separate करना है commas के साथ. कैसे? These values printed according to corresponding format specifiers. Clear? the first format specifiers applies to the first argument, and the second is to the second argument, and so on. Suppose example is these printf functions are optional if when use message only, then the argument is omitted. Suppose there is no value, only you want to display the message, then only use the message and the argument list is will be omitted. Example इससे more clear होगा. Suppose printf, ठीक है, control strings के अंदर क्या आता है? Escape sequence / n. Clear? This one is the escape sequence. The value of a is this is the message text. Clear? And a is a variable. Clear? And percentage d is a format specifier. Got it? And the value of b is a text. Percentage d is the format specifiers. Clear? And a and b is separated by commas. ये देखिए, consist of list of variables. List of variables a and b. Suppose you want to add the two numbers, yeah, you want to take the values of two numbers. ठीक है? The one value of suppose a and the second value name is the b. Clear? So the value of a will be format specifiers, the first one, and the format of b will be the second one. Got it? ये देखिए, अब मैं दोबारा रिपीट करती. List of arguments consists of a list of variables. ये this part a and b. This part is a list of variables separated by commas. ठीक है? Whose values are to be printed. ठीक है? Whose values are to be printed. जिसकी values हमने print करनी है. And these values printed according to corresponding format specifiers. ये according to format specifiers. The first format specifier applied to the first argument. ये the first format specifier apply the first argument, and the second format specifiers applies to the second arguments. ठीक है? Example देखें, the value of a, ये थोड़ा स्पेस आई, escape sequence, ये clear? The value of a is 5. Suppose, ठीक है? Percentage d की जगह 5 आया. These values has been taken from the users, and the value of b is suppose 6, and the value of b is suppose percentage d की जगह क्या आया? 6. Clear? Clear girls? Theory clear हुई? It will be more clear when you will make a practice of it.